Hi everyone. Today is February. It is February 11th, so we are on day 42 of running a mile every day. Yeah, we're gonna go run our mile every day. Can't believe we've done this for 42 days. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Liv or Nicole. I go by both. I started a journey at the beginning of the year to run a mile every day. Rain, no matter the weather, rain, cold, sleet, shine, whatever. If I'm lazy, I'm still gonna do it. We're still gonna strap on our shoes and hit the pavement. It has been the pavement lately, but sometimes I have, like all last month, it was pretty much all treadmill. So yeah, we're gonna go do our mile. Update on the neighbors, they still have not gotten their toilet paper or their groceries, and there's also now an Amazon package there. Let's go. Hopefully my watch can handle today's run. When I started it, I realized it was at like 15%, which was totally on me. I haven't charged it in days. How's everybody's Sunday? I guess you guys are watching this on Monday. So how was your weekend? Okay, so on Saturday, after the run, the husband and I played some Enshrouded. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but we played some of that. And then we went for a big walk. We went to like 5 different locations. It wasn't a big walk, but it was a lot done. It was very, very people-y out. And then we went home and played more Enshrouded. And then we went for like I don't know, another 2+ mile walk after that in the evening. Don't hit me, bro. The puddles are gone today, thankfully. They seem to have finally drained. At least on the sidewalk areas. What else? My back. It's getting better for sure. It no longer hurts like it used to, but I do still feel it. My hand is very cold. I had to take ibuprofen last night because it was hurting pretty bad, and I thought it was just not getting better. But this morning it seemed fine. Speaking of this morning, I'm a subject changer, can you tell? I did not get good sleep. I mean, I felt like I got good sleep, but it wasn't long enough. I should really aim for 8 hours. I've been doing okay with like 7 and like just under 8, but last night I only got 6.5. So, and it said I didn't get enough deep sleep. To be fair, all I could think about was the game, Enshrouded, and running. It was a very weird combination. Oh, it's a very old car. Oh, the things you see here in the city. Okay. I guess I will. Okay. My mouth is very dry. It's very windy. My hand is very cold. The temperature, which I failed to tell you this earlier, is 2 degrees. No. Yes. No. Maybe? But it feels like -2. I can feel that. It's very windy. And the cold is biting. Hey, that looks like my hair tie. I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a minute. So, I overshot the half road back there that I wanted to take. So now we're on the loud road. But up here a little ways, if you remember my first or second running video in the series, up here's where I fell because of the snow and ice. I think it was like right here. I think this is where I fell. Not this time. -5. Wonder why it took so long to do that. There are a lot of runners out. A lot of them. 1 mile. What's our time? 15:54. It's not bad. That's actually really fast compared to my usual 17. I'll catch up with you when I'm like almost done. Sorry for the wind. finished our run. I feel very phlegmy today. I don't know why. Just do. Maybe it's because I had something yesterday or last night. I should keep running because I'm stopping right up there. In fact, I'll just stop it here. That was my run. Let's see. Pretty much 1.2. I stopped at 1.19. That was an okay run. It's pretty good actually, especially for not getting enough sleep. All right. Thank you for joining me on today's run. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have friends who might enjoy this video, please share it with them so we can motivate others or laugh at my expense. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss a daily mile with me. Leave a comment because I love reading them. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. And remember, every run counts, and you're capable of amazing things. Stay strong, run happy.